Hello guys! Magandang hapon sa inyong lahat. I am Chirikas Mamasigari Channel, a faith healer, also a tarot reader. So ngayong hapon na to, tignan natin ano kayong sabihin sa inyo ng ating mga gabay. So this is a weekly pasilip. Now for the month of February 16 hanggang February 21 for the sign of. Leo. So Leo, welcome sa my channel. Ano kayang messages, advices ng spirit guides ang ating masasagot for today's video? Kanino kayang energy or kaganapan sa buhay ng mga Leo signs ang ating mga gilap? So guys, this reading is a general reading lamang, hindi lahat makaka-resonate. Excuse me. Kunin lamang po ang makaka-relate sa inyo and comment down below kung kaninong energy ang ating nasagot. And of course, don't forget to like and subscribe my channel and hit the bell for more videos update. The request, maraming salamat po sa mga walang sawang pagsuporta sa aking channel. Lalong-lalo nang skip ng ads na way pagpalaing kayo ng Diyos at may kapal. Siksik diglig umapaw ni biyayang manang balik sa inyo. Let's see what is the messages advising ng ating angel spirit for the sign of Leo. So let's see and watch this. Ano kaya kaganapan sa buhay ng mga Leo signs ang ating mga gilap? Tutuklasin at bubulabugin. Angel spirit, let's give information po. So there's an Ace of Cups. There's something, a new love coming in. Some of you may bagong pag-ibig or maaaring manumbalik ang pag-ibig. No, mayroon talagang maaaring magbigay kaligayahan o nag-uumapaw na saya. Some of you, there's something, a wedding, celebrations, no, coming in, no, time nyo sa isa't isa ng person mo. And of course, there's a temperance with a perfect timing. So may mga bagay talaga na nasa takdang panahon. No, kailangan mo kumalma. No, wag kang magmadali. No, wag kang maging agresibo. Angel Spirit, please give information po. And of course, there's the Sun card, there's a pure positive outcome. So may mga bagay na maaaring magbigay ng magandang kalalabasan. Na may magandang kahihinatnan. There's something, a positive outlook or positive outcome. And of course, there's something guys with the 8 of coins, something a focus. Mag-focus ka sa ginagawa mo, sa trabaho, negosyo, hanap buhay mo. Just a focus of what you're doing. No, kailangan mo magpatuloy, no, mag-concentrate on being dedicated sa iyong ginagawa. And there's a 10 of coin, something, there's a long-term success, no, long-term relationship, and long-term happiness. No, magkakaroon ka talaga ng pangmatagalang tagumpay. No, meron ako na sense din dyan na maaring may mana. No, meron ako nakitang kumbaga minana dito, ganon. Mayroong kumbaga nakuwang pera with a page of cups, something, an intuition and predictions. So may mga bagay na kailangang makinig ka sa nararamdaman mo. No, meron ditong kaba, kutob, pakiramdam na maaaring magbigay kasagutan sa iyong matagal na katanungan. With a 6 of Wands, so there's a victory. Magtatagumpay ka pagdating sa buhay, pag-ibig. No, maaaring hindi lang tukilig, no, maaaring ito magdadala sa iyo ng pangmatagalang partnership. What is the Temperance? Represent with the High Priestess. No, there's an unexpected situations. No, with the Temperance, something, a perfect timing. No, have patience dahil kailangan mong kumalma. May mga bagay na maaaring mangyari nang hindi inaadya o hindi mo, kumbaga, ini-expect na maaaring mangyari. No, what is the Sun card? Represent with the 5 of Cups, no? May mga bagay na tatanggalin and lilinisin sa'yo, hindi para ma-disappoint ka with the 5 of Cups. No, just accept the fact na may mga bagay talaga na kailangan maging parte ng nakaraan mo at hindi magiging parte ng kasalukuyan mo. What is the 8 of Coin? The 8 of Coin represents with the Tower moment for a major changes. May mga bagay din na maaaring magbigay ng pagbabago. No, there's something, a major changes, no, lalo-lalo na, no, pagdating sa negosyo, trabaho, hanap buhay mo. And there's a Magician with the power of God. There's a something manifestations. No, dadaling ka talaga sa pangmatagalang sitwasyon. No, meron talagang ancestors dito na maaaring ancestor house o maaaring mana, ganon, na matagal mo nang gustong makuha or mayroong makakamit dito. And there's a Knight of Wands for something perseverance. So, kailangan mo magtiyaga, magpatuloy sa iyong ginagawa. What is the Ace of Cups? Because the Six of Wands are represented with the Seven of Swords. Says something is sneakiness, there's a cheating lying on you. Na meron dito nagsisinungaling, niloloko ka, tinatrader ka, na mag-ingat ka dahil magtatagumpay ka. Meron makikilala mo kung sino tong traidor sa inyong relasyon. Ibig sabihin meron ditong sumisira ng patago sa inyong relasyon. Now, there's something guys with the Five of Swords, nagkakaroon ng self-sabotage, not because of your action, may hidden agenda. Ibig sabihin, kilala mo tong taong traidor na to, sumisira sa inyong relasyon, like, kumbaga, parang mas madaling salita, brainwash, nambubudol, no, kumbaga, sinisiraan ka, or maaring itong person mo ay maaring, kumbaga, inilalapit sa temptations, ganon. So, meron talagang mga taong ganyan, in fairness, mag-ingat ka sa mga pinagkakatiwalaan mo. And there's a Knight of Cups. Now, there's an apology. Meron sa iyong hihingin ng tawad, no, wag ka na ulit maniniwala at magtitiwala. Pwede ka magbigay ng peace, no, kapayapaan, no, kapatawaran, pero wag ka na ulit magtitiwala, no? What is additional messages with the Eight of Pentacles and the Tower moment? Represent with a word, Kyle, there's something at success, accomplishment, no, meron talagang tagumpay na maaaring malasap mo, no, makakamit mo. Maaaring makakaalis ka na, makakapunta ka na ibang bansa, o mayroong bagong trabaho. And there's a Two of Cups, there's a partnership, no, with your person. Talaga, there's something solid bond. No, talagang itong banda to ay talaga napakatibay. This is something a Queen of Pentacles, something maturity, how to manage and control your finances. So, kailangan mas maging wais at listo ka. So, pag ma-manage na kung ano man yung bagay na meron ka, mag-ingat ka, baka mabudol ka. Now, what is the outcome? There's the Lovers. I told you so. Na meron talagang, kumbaga, toxic family, toxic friends na maaring sumira ng inyong relasyon. Mag-ingat ka, ha? Meron dyan, kumbaga, nagpapaikot sa inyong dalawa na person nyo, mag-ingat kayo. There's something at Three of Pentacles, there's something collaboration. Mag-ingat ka talaga sa mga nakakalubin at nakakasama nyo. Now, there's an Ace of Wands or something, a new project, a new work, no, new job, new idea coming in. Meron dito magbubukas sa panibagong eksena for you. With the Three of Cups, mag-ingat ka for third parties. No, meron talagang third party dito na itsaserang kaibigan, itsaserang kamag-anak, ganon. With the Ace of Swords, with a mental clarity, may mga bagay na maaaring magbigay liwanag sa'yo. With the Emperor, just being mature enough and being grounded. Huwag kang magpapaniwala sa matatalinhagang salita. O huwag kang maniniwala sa mga taong nasa paligid mo. Yung pala sinisiraan lamang ito sa'yo. So, kailangan mo magkaroon ng assurance, no? On point, kailangan direct to the point, direct to the sender. So, kailangan mas maging sigurista ka sa madaling salita. So, let's see what is additional messages pagdating sa finances and career, love life, at kalusugan. Let's watch this. So, nandito na tayo guys, na pagdating sa finances and career, love life, at kalusugan. Now, let's see guys, pagdating sa finances and career, there's a justice card, there's something, a balance. A justice will be served. Makukuha mo na yung good karma. Now, there's something yung karma, something what goes around comes around. There's something consequences. Ano man yung bagay na ginawa sa'yo, or ano man yung bagay na ginawa mo, there's something bounce back. There's a good and bad thing. So, kung gumawa ka na maganda for you, for your own sake, there's something possible, there's something na makamit mo yon. Pero may mga tao sa paligid mo na maaaring mayroong nag-wish sa'yo with something curses, no, na negative. No, there's something bounce back. Babalik sa kanila yan, what they deserve. Now, there's a Knight of Swords. There's a success driven. Continue what you're doing, no? Magtatagumpay ka. Huwag mong hayaan na itong daan mo na to, sila yung parang haharang o hakadlang. No? Kasi meron diyang mga taong sasalubong sa'yo, haharang sa'yo para mawala ka sa goals mo, para mawala ka sa gusto mong mangyari for your concentrations. No, huwag kang magpapadistract. Continue what you're doing. And there's an Ace of Coins. There's something, a big shot and big money coming in. May malaking pera, malaking opportunities na darating sa'yo. Na huwag kang mag-alala, may malalaking bagay o malalaking pera na pararating. And there's an Eight of Cups, something moving forward. Makaka-move on. Makaka-recover ka na from toxic situations. And there's a Nine of Coins. There's something potential for abundance. May potential ka para maging malago. No? Magiging mayaman ka soon. no? At talagang mayroon kang mga pangarap na maaaring may isa katuparan with the star card. A wish fulfillment. Diba? Ang ganda ng reading mo pagdating sa finances and career. Marami lang talagang hadlang. Marami kasing gitera sa paligid mo eh. No, pagdating naman tayo sa love life. So, dahil sa love life mo naman, there's something with the Seven of Cups. Confusion. Sabi ko na nga ba, may mga nagpapagulo sa inyong relasyon. And there's a Bible wants to gumagawa ng complication. Diba? I told you, isa sa factor na to, ang sumisira sa inyong relasyon ay maaaring kamag-anak o malapit lang sa'yo. No, and of course, this is something a Six of Cups. Oh my God, there's a past person coming back. No, meron ditong bumabalik-balik, hindi maka-move on. O maaaring merong mga kamag-anakan na sulsol. Mga kamag-anakan na mapanira. No? Inggitera. And there's a Hermit card with the answer you need this year. So, there's something doing black magic to you guys. No, ginagawa ka talaga ng black magic. The Hermit card, kapag naglumabas ang Hermit card talaga, this is something spiritual journey. No, nasa isang karmic relationship kayo na parang maraming tutol. Once na matapos nyo to, no, ang salitang karmic relationship, once na matapos nyo yung lahat ng mga challenges, no, na napapaloob with a karmic relationship, like for example, no, sa love life, no, talagang susubukan ng inyong pagsasama sa relasyon, pamilya, no, pagdating sa finances, nagkakagipit-gipit, nagkakaipit-ipit, no, hindi kayo makausad, hindi kayo makabangon, puro utang, puro kagastusan. Pangatlo ay kalusugan. Kung sino-sino nagkakasakit sa inyong pamilya, there's a possible na sa karmic relationship kayo. Now, once na malagpasan nyo yan, no, it turn to a solid bond, soul connections, a deep soul connections. No, and there's a death card. No, there's an ending and a new beginning. May bagay na matatapos na. No? At unti-unti na magkakaroon ng action and development. There's two joining forces. Na nakikita niya, there's something na parang shadow side or something multo or something, a spirit with a negative traits, no? Kumbaga yung bagay na yun yung parang umahatak na negative sa inyo. Yun yung bagay na lumalason sa inyo. So, parang pagsubok lamang talaga yan. Pagdating naman tayo sa kalusugan mo, there's an Empress card for revert. No, talagang mayroong bagay na maaaring magbigay ng magandang kalusugan sa'yo or gagaling ka na sa karamdaman. There's an healing. Or some of you guys, kung hindi ka mabuntis, na maaaring magbuntis ka this time. Now, there's something that either wants with a past communication and past movement. No, gaganda ng kalusugan at kalagayan mo dito. Huwag ka lang nagkukwento ha, there's a judgment, pinapaalalahanan ka na don't share any information with other people, especially with your friends and family related, no, dahil merong mga nagsasalita at there's a triumpeta para naghahatid ng information with other people. May naghahatid ng balita, may chikadora, chismosa, no? And there's a Hierophant, there's something in palipad hangin and gayuma. Oh, there's a religious factor. There's a doing of black magic talaga, guys. At the same time, there's an Ace of Seven of Coins, something harvest time para magastosan kayo, para pahirapan kayo. No, para lahat ng mga pinagpaguran nyo ay mapunta sa mga kagastusan. And there's a Page of Wands, so there's something in good news. May magandang balita na paparating sa inyo. Huwag kayong mag-alala. So, itong mga bagay na to ay maaring isang hudyat na nasa karmic relationship ka. So, guys, let's see what is additional messages. Now, pagdating naman tayo with a magic of our messages advices, so let's watch this. So, nandito na tayo, guys, with an angel's gabay. Na-miss nyo ba tong reading na to, guys? Pasensya na po. Now, of course, guys, pakisubscribe ako sa second channel ko, ha? Ang Maayos na Ganda Psychic Tarot. Mag-upload din tayo doon ng mga zodiac signs. No, na mga gusto nyo panoorin, like celebrity tarot, ganon. Politics tarot. And there's a winter. With the magic of our messages, there's something a winter season. Na maaaring itong winter season na to ay magbigay kasagutan sa iyong katanungan. No, at the same time, there's something vegetarian. No, kumbaga mas, sinasabi dito, kumain kayo ng more on veggies, ha? Tantanan nyo yung mga karne-karne muna. No, magtantan muna kayo sa mga karne-karne. Gulay-gulay muna ang atake nyo. Oh, there is something celebration and abundance and gift. May regalo magdadala sa iyo ng selebrasyon at tagumpay. Wow! So for synchronicities, What is the synchronicity is all about? Oh my God! Rising from the ashes. Arise! Na talagang meron talagang mamumukad ka. There's a transformation with a butterfly rising from the ashes. Talagang bagay na muling sisibol, no? Pagkatapos mo malugmok, pagkatapos mo ma-down, no, there's something arise na mamumukadkad ka ulit, and there's a gentleness, dahan-dahan ka, or there's something demure, no? Iba yung atake mo dito. Demure daw ang atake mo. Mahinahon at unti-unting pag-usbong. Ay! What is the romance angel for Mystic Love Oracle deck? I told you so! What's this all about, guys? A karmic relationship with a toxicities. Diba? Oh, alam nyo na. Oh, diba tama ako? Nasa isang karmic relationship ka nga. Hindi ako nagkakamali. With Archangel Michael messages. Ang galing! Ang galing ng reading mo ngayon, guys, ha. Very, direct to the point. Very accurate. There's something, decide to be happy now. So, kailangan mo mag-decide na magiging masaya ka, no matter what. Diba? Matuto kang i-dead may mga tao sa paligid mo, no? Kasi may mga taong sinasabi against sa'yo, no? Maraming chika, chismis, no? Huwag ka magpa-apekto sa kanila. Hindi ka magiging masaya kung makikinig ka sa mga sulsol o mga sinasabi nila. Diba, maging masaya ka sa decision mo, sa ginagawa mo. Huwag mong i-base yung happiness mo sa ibang tao. Makakatandaan niyo yan. And there's a pray always, magdasal ka palagi that God is here. So God is support you, God is guiding you, guys. No, talagang pinapakita dito na lahat ng bagay na to nasa tamang rason at nasa tamang pagkakataon, no? Nasa tamang line up ka, guys, no? Hindi ka talaga minililigaw, nasa tamang direction ka. So guys, once again, there's something a weekly pasilip for the month of February 16 hanggang February 21 for the sign of Leo. So Leo, maraming salamat for this wonderful reading. So once again, this reading is a general reading namang hindi lahat makaka-resonate. Kunin lamang po ang makaka-relate sa inyo and comment down below kung kaninong energy ang ating nasagap. And don't forget to like and subscribe my channel and hit notification bell for more videos update. Kasi maraming salamat po sa mga walang sawang pag-support sa aking channel, lalong-lalo nang dirige-skip ng ads sabay pagpalain kayo ng Diyos at may kapal. Siksik-liglig nag-uumapaw na biyayang manang balik sa inyo at maraming salamat and see you the next video. Bye-bye and babush!